this example, we will solve an equation using the square root property. The given equation is 2x minus 1 quantity squared equals 1. So I'm going to use the square root property to solve this equation for x. The first thing we'll do is we will take the square root of each side of the equation. This gives us 2x minus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of 0. And we know that the square root of 0 is 0. There are not two principal root solutions here, only 0. 0 is not negative or positive, it is simply 0. On the left side of the equation, I know I'm applying my square root rules, and because my index is an understood 2, and because the quantity underneath the radical is raised to the second power, my rule says that when I take the square root of a quantity raised to the second power, it simplifies to the quantity underneath that radical. So that leaves me with 2x minus 1. And now just notice we have a simple linear equation that we will apply the rules for solving a linear equation to solve. So the next step here, I have 2x minus 1 equals 0. I will add 1 to both sides of the equation. And remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side. This simplifies to 2x equals 1. And now last, to solve the equation, I will divide both sides of my equation by 2. 2 divided by 2 reduces to 1. 1 times x is x. And my solution is x equals 1/2. And this is how we solve an equation using the square root property.